Apple is expected to launch the next generation iPhone 15 series later September this year. Plenty of leaks and rumors have already revealed information about the iPhone 15 model.
September this year. Plenty of leaks and rumors have already revealed information about the iPhone 15 models. This year, the lineup is expected to comprise the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, a new leak sheds some information on the battery capacities of the upcoming iPhones. The latest information about the iPhone 15 lineup comes from IT Home, citing a Foxconn source. The upcoming models are tipped to get bumped up battery capacities. All four iPhones will pack up to 18% larger batteries compared to the current generation iPhone 14 series. As per the report, the iPhone 15 will be backed by a 3,877 mAh battery, whereas the 15 Plus will get a 4,912 mAh cell. This is 18 and 13.6% larger on both models respectively than their predecessors. The iPhone 15 Pro is said to pack a 3,650 mAh battery, which is 14.1% more. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will come with a 10.9% increase and be equipped with a 4,852 mAh unit. If we compare the iPhone 15 series in terms of battery, the standard variant has more capacity than the Pro model. Surprisingly, the Plus surpasses both the Pro and Pro Max variants in battery aspects. iPhones are not popularly known as great for their batteries compared to Android devices. For those unaware, the iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, and 14 Pro Max come with 3,279 mAh, 4,325 mAh, 3,200 mAh, and 4,323 mAh batteries, respectively. The reported bump in battery capacities on the iPhone 15 series seems to be good among many other expected upgrades.